Hello students, how are you? I hope you are very well. Welcome to our YouTube channel Gyanmanjari Model School. Today, Standard 6 Subject GE Chapter number 5 Articles. In the previous video we discussed about the articles, and now today we discuss about the exercise. Exercise Focus A. Focus A. Fill in the blanks with article a, an, or the. Complete the paragraph. First paragraph. Once upon blank time. Once upon blank time there was blank magician in Egypt. He had blank magic lamp and he could see everything in blank whole world in that lamp. Each star in the sky and every tisuri buried in blank earth. So here in this first paragraph we put over here article a, an, or the. In the first sentence, once upon blank time. So here our right answer is article A. Was. Once upon a time there was article the magician in Egypt. He had blank magic lamp. Article is a. He had a magic lamp and he could see everything in. The right article is in the whole world in that lamp. Each star in the sky and every treasury buried in the article is in the earth. Next paragraph. Once he saw blank hermit and he began to bring to him break to him I am Blank, greatest magician. Greatest magician. Magician. He said, I can see anything. I can see anything, anywhere. Anywhere. Who are you? Who are you? What can you see? What can you see? Blank. Hermit. Smile. Smile. I can see people's hearts. People's hearts. He said. He said. I can see that. I can see that you have nothing. I can see that you have nothing. I can see that you have nothing but pride in your heart. But pride in your heart. In your heart. Blank. Magic lamp. Magic lamp doesn't show. Doesn't show you. Show you your ignorance. 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 You cannot be. You cannot be. Blank. The greatest. Blank. Greatest. Greatest magician. In the last line, blank, magician realized his mistake. his mistake. He never bragged about his lamb again. He never bragged about his lamb again. Okay. So in the next paragraph, once he saw blank hermit and he began to brag to him. In the first sentence, the right article is A. He saw a hermit and he began to brag to him. I am here in this sentence. I am blank greatest magician. So here this is the superlative degree. So put over here the I am the greatest magician is said. I can see anything, anywhere. Who are you? What can you see? Blank hermit smile. So here the article is the hermit smile. I can see people's hearts. He said, I can see that you have nothing but pride in your heart. Blank magic lamp does not show you your ignorance. You cannot be blank greatest magician. So here the first blank the magic lamp. The magic lamp doesn't show you your ignorance. You cannot be blank greatest magician. So in this sentence is a superlative degree. So put over here the article the greatest magician. Blank magician realized his mistake. He never bragged about his lamp again. The last line article is the magician realized his mistake. He never bragged about his lamp again. So okay student, here this is the first our answer. Focus A. You just write down in your book, then move forward our next exercise. Okay student, have you written this? Then now move forward. The next exercise, practice. Practice A. Fill in the blanks with article a, an or the. Where necessary, put a cross where none of them is necessary. So in this exercise, as we require the article a, an or the, and also we not necessary, none of them is necessary, put over here a cross. Okay, then the first blank, Avi is blank best chess player in blank world. So in this blank, Avi is blank best chess player. This is sentence is indicate to a superlative degree. So in this blank, the first blank answer is the best player in blank world. So here put over here article the. Avi is the best chess player in the world. Blank. Our second blank, our maths teacher gave us blank essay test today. Test today. And the second blank, our maths teacher gave us blank essay test today. The article and, because this word indicate to a vowel, so the right article is a and. Third blank, it rained so much blank river near our village was flooded. So in this blank, it rained so much blank river near our village was flooded. The river is indicated to, so article the. It rained so much the river near our village was flooded. Fourth blank Times of India has published blank photograph of blank Himalayas. Blank Times of India has published blank photograph of blank Himalayas. So in the first article put over here, the Times of India has published photograph indicate to a consonant. So put over here article A, published a photograph of the article Himalayas. article the. Put over here article the. The Times of India has published a photograph of the Himalayas. The fifth blank. Copy wants blank encyclopedia back Britannica from the library. Copy wants blank Encyclopedia Britannica from the library. Here in this blank, here is not necessary of articles, so put over here a cross in this blank. 6-1 Eva John Matt and Posh to blank first train to Suez in the morning. Eva, John, Matt and Posh to blank first train to Suez in the morning. In this blank here the article is ordered. The first article is put over here, the first train. The first train to Suez in the morning. Seventh one, blank Sahara Desert. Covers large sections of some countries like blank Algeria, blank Egypt, blank Libya, blank Mali, blank and Niger. So in this blank, Sahara Desert covers large sections of some countries like blank Algeria, blank Egypt, blank Libya, blank Mali and Niger. So in this first blank, the article the Sahara Desert covers large sections of some countries like, and the next blanks is a no required to article. So across Egypt, Algeria, Libya, Mali and Niger has a no required for article. So put over here across in this blank. 8-1 blank Sahara Desert, desert is blank hottest desert in the world. So in the next 8 blank article put over here the Sahara Desert, and the next blank indicate to a superlative degree. So here put over here the article the hottest desert in the world. Ninth one, GT is blank smartest robot. Next blank, GT is blank smartest robot. So here this sentence is indicate to a superlative degree. So here the article is the smartest robot. Last blank, I dreamed of blank unicorn last night. So in this last blank, I dreamed of blank unicorn last night. Here in this word indicate to a vowel. So here the article is an. You just write down in your book, student. Okay student, have you written this? Then now discuss about the exercise practice A. Avi is blank best chess player in blank word. So in the best indicate to a superlative degree. So here the article is the best chess player blank word. So second example, second blank is also required to article the word. Avi is the best chess player in the world. Next, our maths teacher gave us blank essay test today. So here in this word indicate to a vowel. So article is required an. Our maths teacher gave us an essay test today. It rained so much blank river near our village was flooded. This word indicate to a river. So article is the. It rained so much the river near our village was flooded. Next, Blank Times of India has published blank photograph of blank the Himalayas. Blank Times of India. The first blank is required article the Times of India has published blank photograph. So in this blank photograph is consonant. So here article is a of blank Himalayas. So here the first indicate to a Himalayas. The article is the Times of India has published a photograph of the Himalayas. The next, Poppy wants blank Encyclopedia Britannica from the library. So in this sentence there is no required for the article, so put over here across in this answer. Next, Eva, John, Matt and Posh took blank first train to Suez in the morning. In this blank indicate to a first in a number order. So in this exercise, in this blank we required the article the. Eva, John, Matt and Posh took the first train to Suez in the morning. Next, blank Sahara Desert covers large sections of some countries like Algeria, Egypt, Libya, Mali and Niger. So the first blank is a indicator Sahara Desert. So in this first answer is our article put over here the, and the next blank is a no required for article. So across in this each blanks. Next article, blank Sahara Desert is blank hottest desert in the world. The first Sahara Desert. So put over here article is the Sahara Desert is blank hottest desert. In this blank, the sentence is a superlative degree. So article is the hottest desert in the world. The next GT blank, the smartest robot. This sentence is, this blank is also indicate to a superlative degree. So here the first our answer is the smartest robot. And the next last blank, I dreamed of blank unicorn last night. So here in this word unicorn, the word indicate to a vowel. So here the right answer article is a. I dreamed of an unicorn last night. Okay, student, then your homework is you just write down in exercise focus A and practice A in your GE book. Okay, student, we will meet in our next video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye, student.